have hearing.
Go eat it. Everett, don't do that. Don't take it from him.
Good.